What if you could start a business from your bedroom, with almost no money and make thousands a month? Thanks to AI, that's now possible, and the window of opportunity is closing fast. In this video, I'll show you 4 powerful, beginner-friendly AI business models you can start today. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, AI-powered faceless YouTube channels are changing the game for creators everywhere. These channels are run entirely by artificial intelligence, meaning you don't need to appear on camera, or even record your own voice. No filming, no editing, no showing your face. You can create engaging content without ever stepping in front of a camera or learning complicated editing software. Tools like Sora, Runway, and Pika let you generate stunning video clips from simple text prompts. Just describe the scene you want, and the AI does the rest, turning your ideas into professional-looking videos in minutes. ChatGPT writes your script, 11 Labs creates a human-sounding voiceover, and AI video generators bring it all to life. You can even customize the voice and style to match your channel's vibe. Pick a high-traffic niche, like top 10 unsolved mysteries, or explore trending topics in gaming, tech, or finance. Let AI handle the research, scripting, and production, freeing you up to focus on growing your channel. Drop your AI-generated clips and voiceover into a simple editor, add music, and upload. The process is streamlined, so you can produce content quickly and consistently, even with zero prior experience. These videos can rack up millions of views and earn ad revenue for years, all while you sleep. The more videos you publish, the more opportunities you have to earn passive income. Imagine dozens of AI-made videos working for you 24/7, reaching audiences around the world, and building your brand without any extra effort. This is passive income, redefined. With the power of AI, your YouTube channel can become a self-sustaining business that grows while you focus on other things. And you can start today, even as a complete beginner. All you need is an idea and the willingness to let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Next up, let's talk about the future of e-commerce, powered entirely by artificial intelligence. Imagine skipping all the usual headaches, no more endless research, no more struggling with design or copywriting. With just a single click, AI now finds the most profitable products, builds your store from scratch, writes compelling descriptions, and even designs custom logos, all in a matter of minutes. All you have to do is type in a niche or an idea, and instantly, AI suggests trending high-profit products, complete with real sales data and market insights to help you make smart decisions. Once you pick your product, the AI takes over, building your Shopify store automatically. It generates your logo, writes your product copy, arranges your layout, and even sets up your store's branding, all without you lifting a finger. There's no need for coding or design skills. The interface is so simple and intuitive that anyone can use it, even if you've never built a website before. But it doesn't stop there. AI even creates and manages your ads, automatically optimizing campaigns for the best possible results so you can focus on growing your business. You're in control as the manager, while AI handles the heavy lifting. Everything from inventory to marketing, all streamlined for you. That means you can launch a professional, fully functional e-commerce brand in just an afternoon, with almost zero risk and minimal investment. The barriers to entry are gone. Now truly anyone can start and scale an online business, no matter their background or experience. Want to make money on TikTok without ever showing your face or revealing your identity? Imagine earning thousands every month, all while staying completely anonymous and working from anywhere. Meet the world of AI affiliate marketing, where digital avatars do the talking and selling for you. With tools like Midjourney, you can design a one-of-a-kind character, whether it's anime-inspired, hyper-realistic, or even a quirky talking dog. The possibilities are endless, letting you stand out in a crowded feed. Next, bring your avatar to life using animation platforms like DID or HeyGen. Simply write a script for product reviews, recommendations, or even entertaining skits, and let the AI handle the rest. No acting skills needed. Post short, attention-grabbing videos on TikTok, making sure to include your affiliate links in the bio. These videos are quick to make and can reach a massive audience in minutes. The TikTok algorithm loves creative, unique content, especially when it features eye-catching AI avatars. That means your videos are more likely to go viral and be seen by millions of users. Every view is a potential commission, and you never have to step in front of the camera. Watch your affiliate earnings grow as your videos rack up views and clicks. Build an entire team of AI influencers, each one working for you 24/7, posting content and generating income even while you sleep. It's the ultimate anonymous side hustle. No experience, no followers, and no on-camera anxiety required. Anyone can start today. Finally, AI publishing. Instantly create and sell custom books and digital products. Use ChatGPT to generate unique stories, personalized for kids, themed for any niche. AI image generators like Midjourney create professional illustrations in minutes. Assemble your book in Canva and sell as a digital download or print on demand. No inventory, no upfront costs. Make personalized children's books, coloring books, journals, and more. List multiple products in a single day. The AI does the creative work. Build a publishing empire from your laptop. There you have it. 4 AI-powered business models you can start right now. The tools are here, the opportunity is massive, and the only thing stopping you is taking action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Your future self will thank you. If you want more in-depth AI money-making guides, hit subscribe. Pick one model, spend 30 minutes building something, and see what happens. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.